Welcome to our financial channel, where today we're exploring the investment prospects of two prominent Middle Eastern currencies, the Iraqi Dinar and the Iranian Rial. Which one offers better opportunities for investors? Let's delve into the latest developments, economic reforms, and investor perspectives to determine the safer bet. Recent developments in the Iraqi Dinar. In 2024, the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, has been at the center of significant economic discussions and reforms. The Central Bank of Iraq, aiming to enhance the currency's value and stabilize the market, has initiated several key measures. Notably, the central bank has secured approval from the U.S. Federal Reserve to ensure a steady dollar supply for the year, a crucial move to support the dinar in international markets. Additionally, Iraq's Finance Committee is actively collaborating with the central bank to establish fundamental rules for monitoring financial transfers and cash operations, aiming to strengthen banking institutions and transition towards more electronic payments. These efforts are part of a broader strategy to boost the economy and provide a more stable environment for the dinar, suggesting a potentially positive outlook for investors. Economic reforms and monetary policy. Iraq is actively pursuing reforms in its economic and monetary policies to bolster the Iraqi dinar. Key discussions have centered on enhancing banking institutions and adopting international standards to ensure a robust economic framework. A particular focus has been placed on transitioning towards electronic payments and restructuring the banking sector. These initiatives are expected to make the financial system more efficient and transparent, reducing the opportunity for corruption and increasing overall economic stability. The governor of the central bank has highlighted these reforms as fundamental to stabilizing the dinar and providing a more predictable environment for investors. With these measures, Iraq aims to foster a more investor-friendly climate, encouraging both local and international investments that could drive the country's economic growth. Iranian Rial, current economic climate. The Iranian Rial (IRR) continues to face significant economic challenges. International sanctions, primarily led by the United States, have severely impacted Iran's economy, contributing to high inflation rates and currency devaluation. These economic conditions have exacerbated domestic financial instability, making the rial a more volatile investment. The government's attempts to stabilize the currency have been met with limited success, as external pressures and internal economic mismanagement hinder progress. This ongoing instability makes the rial a less attractive option for investors looking for secure and profitable opportunities. The contrast between Iraq's proactive reforms and Iran's troubled economy highlights the broader economic trajectories of the two countries, suggesting that the rial's struggles may continue without substantial changes in both political and economic arenas. Investment potential. Iraqi Dinar. The Iraqi dinar presents a unique investment opportunity, albeit with a cautionary outlook. While recent economic reforms and the support from international entities like the U.S. Federal Reserve provide a positive backdrop, the dinar remains a speculative investment. Financial analysts often debate the dinar's potential for significant appreciation due to Iraq's ongoing economic restructuring and potential market growth. However, the speculative nature of this investment stems from its historical volatility and the regional geopolitical tensions that could influence its value. Investors are advised to consider the long-term nature of any potential returns and the associated risks. While the dinar may not offer quick profits, its strengthening fundamentals suggest it could be a viable long-term investment if Iraq continues on its path of economic reform and political stability. Investment risks. Iranian Rial. The Iranian Rial is considered a high-risk investment due to the country's complex political and economic landscape. Iran's economy suffers from chronic inflation and is heavily impacted by international sanctions, which restrict its ability to engage in global trade effectively. This economic isolation exacerbates the volatility of the rial, making it a precarious option for investors seeking stability and predictable returns. The ongoing economic sanctions have not only limited the country's oil exports, but have also led to a scarcity of foreign currency, further devaluing the rial. For investors, these factors mean that the rial's future is uncertain, and investing in it could result in significant financial loss if the political and economic situation in Iran worsens. Comparative stability. When comparing the stability of the Iraqi dinar and the Iranian rial, the Iraqi dinar shows more promising signs of stability and potential growth. This is largely due to the proactive economic reforms and regulatory improvements being implemented by Iraq's central bank. These efforts are aimed at enhancing the financial system's efficiency and integrating it more closely with international banking standards. In contrast, the Iranian rial suffers from persistent instability, exacerbated by international sanctions and internal economic challenges. These issues have not only stunted the rial's growth potential, but have also made it highly susceptible to inflation and market fluctuations. Therefore, in terms of economic stability and investment security, the Iraqi dinar currently offers a more favorable outlook compared to the more volatile Iranian rial. Investor perspectives. Investor sentiment towards the Iraqi dinar and Iranian rial varies significantly, largely due to the differing economic conditions and stability of the two countries. Many seasoned investors express a preference for the Iraqi dinar over the Iranian rial, citing the proactive measures taken by Iraq's government and central bank to stabilize and strengthen the currency. These include the establishment of stricter financial regulations and commitments to economic reforms, which are seen as steps toward a more predictable and robust economic environment. Conversely, the Iranian rial is often viewed with caution due to Iran's political instability, ongoing sanctions, and the lack of transparent economic policies, which contribute to its high volatility and perceived higher risk. Investors looking for more secure and potentially rewarding opportunities tend to favor economies with clear and stable financial pathways, which currently makes the Iraqi dinar a more appealing choice than the Iranian rial. In conclusion, both the Iraqi dinar and the Iranian rial present unique investment opportunities, each with its own set of risks and potentials. The Iraqi dinar appears to be on a more promising trajectory due to extensive economic reforms and international support aimed at stabilizing and strengthening the currency. This support, coupled with strategic economic policies, presents a potential for long-term gains, making it an attractive option for investors seeking emerging market opportunities. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment with your views, and share this video to help others in their investment journey.